A beautiful walk even on a rainy day in Ireland. And trust me, you'll want to see what's waiting at the end. And as you pass through the gate and stay on the path, everything starts to feel calm, quiet, almost like time slows down. Along the way, you'll see horses and cows peacefully eating the grass, just part of the landscape here. Moments like this feel so simple but so special. And then the castle appears. Clifden Castle, standing here for over 200 years, quietly surrounded by nature. And if you're lucky after the rain, you'll catch something magical. The reflection of the castle in the water, how beautiful is that? There's something about this place. The rain, the silence, the history. It all comes together in a way that feels peaceful and unforgettable. As you step inside, everything changes. There's no roof anymore, just open sky above you. And walls that have stood here for over 200 years. Nature has slowly taken over. Grass growing through the floors, wind moving through empty windows. Standing here, you can't help but imagine what this place once was. Full of life, now quiet and still. Would you take this walk even in the rain? Save this for your Ireland trip. And follow for more hidden gems.